today awesome, my G. So the fuel card is here. At first, I was going to go straight to the car, but I need a cup of ice, man. I'm thirsty, and I'm not starting off my day like this. In fact, if you can get one thing from this video, is hydrate yourself. Drink water, especially if you live in the South. Regardless of where you live, but especially in the South. Yeah, shit is real out here. And I noticed, maybe people don't know this, but if you ever felt angry inside and just frustration, at least me, a lot of that comes from when I'm thirsty, when I'm just dehydrated. You know what I mean? When I'm just dehydrated, I wake up sometimes feeling a little dehydrated. So I gotta do better with drinking at night, drinking water at night. But for sure throughout the day. So instead of, when I get a call, most times I just drop everything. I say, fuck that, let's go. But man, fuck that. Their car is broke down. They're not in the middle of the street. It's not a police car. It's not no traffic jam. Let's stop. I'm gonna get a cup of ice and then continue on with the day. And that shit gets me frustrated. When I feel this inside, it makes me feel like, why am I doing this to myself? So I ain't gonna do it to myself. Every day, keep growing, keep developing. Keep improving, homeboy. I need to get one of them horns, man. That's one of the things I've been wanting in this bitch, this little truck. You know how many times that horn has been useful? I ought to be abusing that shit. Bad bitches. Bad bitch alert. I think I'm gonna invest into the investing. Let me see how much it is. I gotta find out how much it is. Don't get ran over, baby. These niggas. Why did I fucking do this? big. Stop criticizing. I mean, it's not criticize. Ass was fat. Super fat. Fall in that shit. Come on next week. Garbage. Pause it so I can use my two hands.